On July 20, 1969, the world held its breath as NASA's Apollo 11 mission made history. Astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins had traveled over 240,000 miles from Earth to the Moon. As the lunar module, Eagle, descended, Armstrong and Aldrin prepared for a moment that would be remembered forever. "Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed," Armstrong announced. Hours later, he stepped onto the Moon's surface saying, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Aldrin soon joined him, and together they explored, conducted experiments, and planted the American flag. Collins orbited above in the command module, ensuring their safe return. The mission captivated millions worldwide, symbolizing human ingenuity and the boundless possibilities of exploration. Apollo 11 returned safely to Earth, and the astronauts were celebrated as heroes, marking a milestone in human history. On July 20, 1969, the world held its breath as NASA's Apollo 11 mission made history. Astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins had traveled over 240,000 miles from Earth to the Moon. As the lunar module,